Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Narwal Freo Z dust bags. You get an 8-pack. Now they're made by the Chuching store. And here I have the OEM one. This one's, the Narwal Freo Z has been cleaning my house for about 2.5 months. It does a really good job. It's got like 3 layers here. Again, this is the one that comes with it. Here's the one, that 8-pack that we get. So to install it, it looks really similar. It's got an arrow. You're going to push it in all the way. Now it will kind of click into place. It doesn't go completely flat. Push that in and now kind of spread it out and you're ready to go. All right, so let's cut a bag open. Let's see how it compares to the OEM. All right, looks like there's 1, 2, 3 layers. Maybe, yeah, 2, 3 layers. And then let's go over here. This is the one that came with it. So the outer layer is probably a little bit thicker. Yeah, this one's a little bit thicker. These two look to be about the same. Yeah. But that inner layer, yeah, pretty thin, but it's pretty close. Maybe just kind of in a different order, but the opening and all of that looks to be about the same. You pull that open, it slides in where it's supposed to compared to that one there. There's a little bit of an angle on it. And so you should change these about every 2 months. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.